Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got some goodies to share with you today from UpToDIY. They were kind enough to let me choose some items to share with you all. So I'm going to start with what I think is the smallest. I tend to do this because then it gives me space for the others. Because by the time I've unrolled them all, sometimes it can feel like it's exploded. And I don't want to fold them back up because I want to be able to show you them all as well. So this first one is a special. It caught my eye. I do like specials as a nice little evening or two project, something a little bit different. But this one is called a love tree. So it has lots and lots of different hearts made up in various different ways. It's down as a 30 by 30, and if I just go from the part that you can cut out sort of thing, it is about 25 by 25, and the actual design is a bit smaller. So I reckon you might be able to get away with one of the IKEA frames for this one. I think that would be fun to try actually. Maybe I'll make this a project soon. We do get a toolkit, boat wax 10, but it looks, oh there is. So looking at the actual canvas itself, while there's hearts here that are made up of others, there are little standalone hearts. Some of them are just the heart and some of them then have a diamond or a rhinestone put on the heart that's already there. But there are some hearts in this. So let's get them open. Looks like there's a couple actually in some very nice colours. Okay, so for normal rhinestones we have some purple, some light orangey red, what looks like black. Then we have some bigger circles in yellow, even bigger ones in blue. Then we have some little blue hearts and some purple hearts, some blue rhinestones, and then we have like teardrops in purple, and then we also have some blue sort of scallop ones. I keep forgetting the name of them every time I do. Oh, and then we also have some normal blue rhinestones as well. Oh, I like those. I like the fact it's got some little hearts in there as well. That's a little bit different. But I do think this could potentially fit in one of those box IKEA frames. Are they about 24 centimetres, was it? 23 or 24 centimetres. Let's go for 23. So even going 23 centimetres, yeah, you could get the tree design in there. Just by taking off a bit more of the white border. So that would look nice in one of those frames. So that's number one. Number two. Get in the jiffy bag. They do all come packed in a jiffy bag as well. I find they all flatten out. They just need a little bit of time. But I've not had a problem, and you can iron them as well. Oh, this one is another special, if I put it up the right way. You see that face? Look at that. That is really nice. It's just striking. So it's a face that you then, oh, these come in bags. Let's see if we can showcase them all. So we have yellow rhinestones, bigger red ones, bigger brown ones, orange teardrops. We also have some purple teardrops. No, I don't think I'm going to be able to actually showcase them all properly. It's one thing when they're all the same, shape, like just normal diamonds, it's really easy to showcase them that way. But when they're all different shapes, it's not. So we have standard rhinestones, bigger ones in red, slightly bigger ones in brown, teardrops in orange, teardrops in purple. Oh, that's a very, very pale blue. that one. Rhinestone, champagne, purple, that looks like 310. Then we have some more brown, red, bigger red dome ones, purple rhinestones and blue rhinestones. The purple is slightly larger than the blue. And then on top of that, we have even more. Let me just get those to slide back in, inside another little bag. And these are, oh, the tiny little teardrops in purple, bigger ones in silver, little gold pieces, red teardrops. Oh, they're like a limey green / yellow teardrop, and some really big gold ones as well, which actually scatter. You need 2 by the looks of it that scatter over here. Oh, me likes. There's something about abstract. I do like to work on a little bit abstract. It just gives it that little bit of a wow factor, I find. And it's a partial, so I mean, it's not hugely partial, but it'll still take a good chunk of time. It's down as a 35 by 35, but the actual size of this one is 30 by 30, so that'll go in a nice 12 by 12 frame, 12 inches by 12 inches. For the peeps that use that system. And then, last but by no means least, let's cut in this one. Is this a square? I've got a feeling this is a square. I'll confirm when I can get to the diamonds. It's a bit crunched on one side, but that will flatten out. It's poured glue. It does tend to flatten out. Ah, this was so sweet, this one. Yes, it is a square. It does come with a toolkit. I'll always love you. How sweet is that? It comes with 25 colours. Now it doesn't have DMC numbers. Doesn't come with DMC numbers, this one. The actual canvas size is about 35 by just short of 45. I'll always love you. Still sweet, even if it doesn't come with DMC. And then, we have 25 colours, so that's a couple of them. And that's a few more of them. So not too much white. A lot more pink base, this one. Are these all the same one? Yeah, they are. 7. 7 of the same pink for the background, but then we do have some other shades and a few spots of bright colours to make up the middle. Got some more nice deep pink there as well, give us the nice tones, but the background is all one colour. There's not so much sort of shading or anything. These have a natural line that they seem to want to follow to go back in the bag, so I'm trying to make them follow it. If there's any hope of me actually getting the diamonds to go back, try to follow however they folded it in the first place. It doesn't always work, but we can try. We can try. Oh, there we go. But yeah, I still think that's sweet. There is some blockiness, of course, in the background. This letter P for the background, but not too much. And I think it's a nice fun image. I think it will break up soon enough that you don't get too bored of one background colour. But pink's always nice for a change, isn't it, than black and white anyway. So we've got I'll Always Love You, abstract face in special. And then another, oh, see, look, there's sort of a love theme going on, isn't there? Ish. But I will pop links to all of these down below in case you want to treat yourself. Thank you to UpToDIY for sending me these to share with you all. And I'll speak to you all again soon.